left this town with your windows down and the wilderness inside. Let the exits pass, all the tar and glass, till the road and skyline. The strangers in this town, they raise you up just to cut you down. Oh, Angela, it's a long time coming in. And your Volvo lights lit up green and white with the cities on the signs. But you held your course to some distant war in the corners of your mind. And from the second time around, the only love I ever found. Oh, Angela, it's a long time coming in. Hold it last. Were you safe and warm in your coat of arms with your fingers in the fist? Did you hear the notes, all those static codes in the radio bits? The strangers in this town, they raise you up just to cut you down. Oh, Angela, it's a long time coming.
I came from down here, right up that hill.
Oh, Angela, spent your whole life running away.
Here's my new pack. Hill People gear.
Oh,
Which is doing its job quite well. It's a little ways to go uphill still, but there's a nice little flat spot here with 2 cross logs hanging. It's an old bigger fire pit when there's a little more people. Today I'm just laying down my tarp. Gonna build a little fire here on a flat rock, put the stove on. Gonna make myself some tea. But some pretty nice views from up here. Don't know if it translates on camera, but down there goes pretty deep and far out. So anyways, that's my camp for today. Gonna be using my everyday carry knife. It's kind of like my bushcraft one, but just a little bit smaller, about an inch smaller blade. Gonna be using that for the rest of the work.
Meadowlark, fly your way down. I hold a cornucopia and a golden crown for you to wear upon your fleecy gown. My meadowlark, hummingbird, just let me die inside the broken ovals of your olive eye. I do believe you gave it your best try. We are clad on the hillside and the market in the hay.
Change camera angles up a bit so you guys can see.
She left a week to roam. Your protector's coming home. Keep your secrets with you, girl, safe from the outside world. You walk along the stream, your head caught in a waking dream. Your protector's coming home, coming home.
So my trick has always been, I like to try to pin a piece of whatever I'm lighting down with the ferro rod, and then that way when you're raining down sparks on it, it's not moving all over the place or knocking all over the place. And now I can start to get my tea going. This stuff starts to light. Oh, so just to talk about this as well. This is a new ferrocerium rod I put together. It's out of a big buckhorn my dad's buddy gave me for making him a knife. And it's a big heavy duty ferro rod. It's a 1/2 inch. But yeah, I've made 3 more of these, and I've got about 8 total, but I've put some handles on 3 more I'm going to list on my Etsy store in the next couple days. But man, do these things work awesome. They throw some pretty hot sparks, and it usually gets stuff going without very little effort. So yeah, great ferro rod. I'm going to get some tea going. Self-made spoon, of course. It ain't bushcraft if you didn't make it yourself. Just kidding. tea is officially on the go. Definitely going to make some more of these knives, so I have to say probably one of my favorite knives I've made so far. Not because of design or the look of it, but just for function. It's small, but it packs a big punch. It's got a nice belly on it, so for carving and cutting and stuff, it's awesome. And still has no issues batoning through hardwood or anything. Like that's oak, and just no problems with it. So I definitely think I'm going to make a few more of these. But let me know if anyone's interested, because I'm kind of making them as I go, but it's all based on people's feedback and stuff. So you can see, make some nice curls. I think I'm finally hearing a boil. Yeah, it's just starting. Now, because it's a hot day, I probably don't want this to boil over too much. Yeah, there we go, it's boiling. So I'll take that off now. Cheers to some nice green tea.